Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today's video is about Helm Boots. It's a clothing brand, yet another successful clothing brand on Shopify. So before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and please do hit the bell icon. So Helmware started in the early 2010, and Helm Boots, another successful Shopify web store. You can view their site. Now again, just like some of the stores I have viewed that are successful Shopify stores, they they do minimize the selection at the top of their page. Their products are quality leather, men's boot and shoes. Some other products that are shoe and boot related, the brand product with their label. They do have a section on their story. It does have the tagline man made. It's more than a tagline, it's who we are. We don't just sell boots, we give men confidence to take the step they have never taken. It talks about other things, but I noticed that would appeal to the shopper is the part where it say a commitment to quality and craftsmanship, and then explains what it takes to make the helm boots. Also says our approach is simple, make it last forever. They are saying that they are dedicated to craft, and Brad Day President Joshua Pigman, founder Brock Wilson, retail director, and then their mission statement, walk in, stand out. I do sell a line of footwear products in my store. One is called Markman Footwear. Their product look like they are good quality and in no comparison to Helm Boot. Another line of shoes I do sell is a few Diesel brand shoes and some Todd's men and children's shoes. I think of these ideas are great to add to my site, and over time I would do that. It would take me a bit of thought as to how I would lay it out, and then of course I am not a woman operator as it sits. Not saying that I have the support of my family, but maybe I will eventually expand to other members of the family who have a vested interest or be partnership. So that's it guys for today's video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for another video.